In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find top-rated freelancers on Upwork. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and click the official Upwork website in the results. This takes you to the platform where you can discover professionals across countless specialties. Once you're on the site, use the main search bar to look for talent. Type in the kind of professional you need. For this walkthrough, let's use web developer as our example. Keep your keywords simple and clear. If you already know a framework or language you prefer, you can add it right in the search, like React Web Developer or WordPress Developer, to narrow results from the start. On the results page, look to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find filters to refine your search. You can adjust things like category, hours billed, hourly rate, and location to match your needs. Filtering early helps you focus on candidates who meet the basics, saving you time as you evaluate profiles. Next, find the Talent Badge section in that filter panel. This is key to surfacing proven freelancers. Select Top Rated Plus. If you want experts with a strong history on larger or long-term projects and consistently excellent outcomes. Alternatively, choose Top Rated to see seasoned freelancers with a track record of high client satisfaction. Either option will help you quickly zero in on reliable professionals. After applying one of those badges, your results will update to show top performers. Skim the cards for quick signals, overall rating, total earnings, hours billed, and a preview of recent feedback. These quick stats help you decide which profiles are worth a closer look. When a profile catches your eye, open it and review client feedback carefully. Look for detailed comments about communication, meeting deadlines, problem solving, and measurable results. Pay attention to recency and consistency. Recent strong reviews signal current performance, not just past success. Continue by scanning the rest of the profile: work history, portfolio, employment history, skills, certifications, and education. You're checking for relevance. Do their past projects match your stack or industry? Do portfolio samples demonstrate quality and completeness? Do listed skills align with your requirements? Certifications and education can validate expertise, but real project outcomes are the strongest indicator. When you've found the right fit, click Hire. From there, you can begin the contracting process or start a conversation. Be clear about your goals, scope, timeline, and budget so the freelancer can confirm availability and propose the best approach. That clarity up front sets the stage for a smooth collaboration and great results.